Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of engine connecting rod or piston connecting rod in Autodesk Inventor software. In this tutorial, we will learn the basic commands which are required to make this profile. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and create. Now go to 2D sketch and we'll select the XY plane. Now select the line command and from the center point the line will be at a distance of 180 mm. Okay, select this line and make it a construction geometry. Here the midpoint is not visible, so go to point command, place a point over here. Okay, this is not required. Okay, now go to point command once again and place two more points on this line. Now the dimension, go to dimension. The point to point distance will be of 100 mm and the distance of this point from end will be 125 mm. Okay, now we will select the 3-point arc command and make an arc over here. Similarly, one arc over here. Okay. Now go to coincident and the center point of this arc will lie on this point. Similarly, center point of this arc, select this point. Okay. Now go to dimensions and give this arc a dimension of R6 and escape. Now we'll go to line command. From this end point, make a line, escape and give the dimension. We'll give the angle. So for angle, from here we will give an angle of 3 degree and go to tangent constraint, select this arc and select this line. Okay, now select this arc and select this line. This is also constrained. Now we don't want the extra profiles like this profile here, we don't want it, this profile. So go to trim command, select this line and select the internal profile. Okay, now this is a smooth profile over here. Now we are currently making this profile. Now we will make the outer sketch. For that, go to offset command, select this profile, enter and we will give an offset of 5 mm. Okay, and go to line command, make a line over here, escape, give the dimensions. From base it will be at a height of 35 mm and this point at a height of 45 mm. Okay, now to make it constraint, go to vertical constraint, select this bottom point and select the center point. Okay, escape. Now go to line command, from this top make a line at distance 25, escape and here go to arc command, from this point to this point make one arc. Okay, and give the dimension. The dimension of this arc will be R50. Okay, now from here go to arc command once again, from this point we will make one more arc till this end. To make it constraint, go to coincident constraint, select the center point of the arc and select here the center point. Okay, now this profile is okay. Here the offset will be of 5 mm. Okay, now go to line command and join these two profiles. Escape. Now for here, go to circle command. From this endpoint, make a circle of dia 32. Okay, and escape and drag it over here. Here and go to trim command. We only want some profile. We only want this arc profile. Go to line and join this profile. Now the sketch is okay. Now we have made the half profile. We want to mirror this, so go to mirror command, select the complete profile, select these bottoms also and this also, small profile and this profile. Now you can see the complete dark blue profile we have selected. Go to mirror line and select this as a mirror line and apply. Done. So this will be the profile which we want. Okay, now go to finish sketch and go to extrude, select this profile and here we will select symmetric extrude and the extrude will be of 15 mm and okay. Now we have made this. Now we will select again XY plane and create sketch. Now we are going to make this profile over here. For this, go to circle command. From the center point, make a circle of dia 50. Go to line command, make line here and one line over here. Okay, escape. Now we only want this arc profile, inner one. So go to trim command, trim the outside. So only this profile is left and this is the joining profile. Now finish sketch and go to extrude, show you the home view. Okay, rotate it. So it is extruding this side. We want it also a symmetric extrude, so select symmetric extrude and the distance here will be 35 mm. Okay, now for backside profile again select the XY plane and go to create sketch. Go to circle command. Here make a circle of dia 32 and from same center point dia 20. Okay, now go to dimensions. From here the distance of these circles will be 180 mm and to make them horizontally constrained, select here horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Okay, now we have made this profile, so go to 3D model, select extrude command and here select this circle. We will select the profile between dia 20 and dia 32 and give a symmetric and the distance here will be 22 mm. We are making profiles separately as all the extrudes are of different distance. This one was 15, this was 35, and this is 22, and okay. Now this is made. Now rotate it and select this face, or first we'll make a round profile. I'll show you. We'll make this round profile over here. For this, go to fillet command, take a radius of 7.5 mm, select this edge and select this edge. Okay, rotate the profile. Similarly, we will do here. Select this edge and select this edge and apply. Okay, now cancel. Now select this face and go to create sketch. Go to circle command. We will track this center point of this arc and make a dia 10 mm. Same dia 10 mm over here from this center point. Okay, here we have not received the center point, so go to concentric constraint. This circle and this circle are concentric to each other. Now this is fully defined sketch. Go to home view, rotate. Now go to 3D model and select extrude command. Select this and select this. You want to cut the profiles, so from here flip the direction and drag it outside. From here you can see these are the cut profiles, and okay. Okay, now we will give the fillet, or you can give the, we will give the chamfer over here of 1.5. okay, so select this edge, rotate, and this edge. Similarly, this circle and this edge, rotate the profile, this edge and this circular profile. So we have selected this circular profile, this profile and this profile. Go to home and taken a fillet of or chamfer of 1.5 mm, and the angle will be 45 degree, and okay. Now you can assign color to it. For color, go to defaults, and from here you can give any color. See, I will give it on. Okay, you can select it as per your requirements. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a connecting rod in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.